Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And today, we're going to take a quick video tour of Hawaii, focusing on the beautiful beach of Lanikai. So, let's dive right in. Lanikai, which means heavenly sea in Hawaiian, is a small, picturesque beach located on the windward side of Oahu. It's known for its crystal clear waters, soft sand, and breathtaking views. The beach is surrounded by a row of gorgeous homes, and the water is calm and shallow, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and even kayaking. One of the most iconic features of Lanikai is its two small islands, Makalua, which are just offshore. These islands are a popular destination for hikers, as they offer stunning views of the beach and the surrounding area. So, there you have it, a quick introduction to Lanikai, one of the most beautiful beaches in Hawaii. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel experiences. Mahalo for watching.